Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode we make a Vietnamese dish called Bánh Hỏi, Heo Quay, which is basically crackling pork belly and flat rice vermicelli noodles, and special guest Scotty as well. Enjoy. Alright, so Dad's perforating the pork belly here using his special poking tool. Can I see the tool, Dad? Look at that.
Very sharp point.
Yep. How much does the pork belly weigh, Dad?
That's like 2.5 kilos.
2.5 kilos?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, so Dad's just adding slices into the other side of the pork belly now. Adding checkered slices, slits into the underside of the pork belly. And now he's generously adding salt and cayenne pepper into the meaty side. Be generous with the salt here, everyone. And just do the exact same on the skin side. This is where the crispiness of the skin will come through in the oven. And once again, just be generous with the salt. And Tony was saying that he uses
the thick salt.
bigger, like thicker grain salt. Yeah. Bigger flakes.
You want nice flavor, the color. Use a little bit the mixture inside, outside. Just ring.
The what?
Because a little bit sugar in there, and then spice as well. They can bring the color, better color.
Better color?
Yeah. That's secret. Yes.
There you go, boys. Cooking with Tony and Jenny.
Okay.
Beautiful. And how long do you put this in the oven for?
Maximum like 240 degrees.
Yep.
And then half an hour. Just keep turn.
Keep turning.
Half an hour. Like you turn any 15 minutes. Right.
Beautiful.
Ready to go?
This is your birthday dinner, right? this is what he got for his birthday, everyone. Bit of Scotch whiskey, single malt. Alright. So we're just gonna put that in the oven and let it roast. Alright, so Dad's just putting the pork belly into this portable oven that we use at home and in the shop as well. This is exactly how Tony prepares the crispy pork belly for his restaurant as well. That goes into a lot of the dishes, especially the pork rolls, the banh mi's. Oh, that's a cool photo, Dad. This is when our family used to own a fruit and veg shop at Fairfield Gardens. Look at that.
Great fruit shop, mate.
Great. Look how young you look, Dad. Handsome.
Probably still got a 4X in his
How much were avos back then? Oh, it's gone.
Slow. Up. Yep.
Just working up an appetite for dinner, guys.
Trust me.
So it's
the top one.
wow. So it's been only around 25 minutes, guys, and the skin's starting to crisp up, and you can hear the crackling. Look at the salt on top of that.
Wow. Okay.
So about another 30 minutes, Dad, or what?
We're going to turn the oven.
We're just adjusting the oven to hit the pork belly on different areas. Yeah. Alright, have a look at this, everyone. That's about 40 minutes in the oven. Pretty much done. We're just gonna go for a little bit longer.
For low temperature for inside.
Okay.
Inside.
So yeah, so Dad said just lower the temperature to how much?
280.
200, huh?
180.
180 degrees, and then just let the inside cook for a bit longer. But you can see, look at the skin. starting to crisp up and get that crackling. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. The pork belly is done. We got some burnt ends as well. That's perfectly fine. More flavor. We're just gonna let that rest and we'll chop it up into beautiful chunky bits. Get ready for dinner. Alright guys, so remove the fine rice vermicelli into a bowl or plate or whatever. Put it in hot boiling water for about 4 minutes. And then place it in a bowl and you microwave it for how long?
1 minute.
And then you just microwave it for 1 minute and it's ready to be served. Alright, so the vermicelli flat noodles, or fine noodles, have been just come out of the microwave. And Mum's also microwaved these green onions with a touch of olive oil in the microwave. And this is how you prepare the dish. Bánh Hỏi. And you just spread it all over the vermicelli. And she's made like rolls of it. Yeah. And you just add this with the crackling pork belly, fish sauce with heaps of greeny leaves and herbs, and with fish sauce, and we're ready. Alright, so Mum's adding in the fish sauce into the bowl, and what she has here is actually boiling water with sugar in it, and this actually all goes together to make the sauce for our dish. Okay, can I see the bottle of fish? So this is the fish sauce that our household uses. It's a product of Thailand, and it's just your classic fish sauce that you can get from Coles, maybe, or any Asian grocer. Easy to find. And then Mum's just added the fish sauce into the boiling water with sugar. And that's how you make the sauce. And you just add chili as well.
Chilli.
And that's our dipping sauce for this dish.
Để mày múc ra miếng thầy không biết.
Alright, so Dad's gonna chop up the pork belly now with the freshly sharpened knife. Yeah. Oh, wait, let me see. Look at that. Look at that. And it only took an hour in the oven.
Dĩa nhỏ đi nó không chín tròn.
Give one a juicy one.
Look at this, guys. Look at that. With the bit of crackling pork skin, I'm gonna test it out. Mmm.
Ăn là con đói bụng không?
Phải có bụng nó vậy.
Oh. Delicious. Oh, look at that. That move, y'all. Perfection. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. How's it taste? Eat one more, eat one more. Grab one more, Dad. How's that? Perfect. Perfect. Wait, let me get one more shot of that. Wow. Alright, which lucky dog's gonna get this one? Yeah. A special guest taste tester, can you just try that?
Oh mate, flavor's unbelievable.
Fuck
So
yeah.
juicy, so tender.
Oh,
You can't beat that.
beautiful.
Pride and passion your parents put into their food,
Oh,
unmatchable, mate.
Mate, let's eat dinner. Let's eat dinner.
Appreciate it.
We're ready for dinner. Alright, so the banh hoi's being prepared by Mum. You basically just grab it like that. Well, actually, I'll make a. You just get like a. I don't know what lettuce this is, like a romaine lettuce. Anyways, just chuck it in there like that. Perfect. Grab a few pieces of pork belly with a bit of skin as well. And you can just like chuck whatever herbs you want into it, like that. And it's kind of like a burrito, or no, taco. Pretty badly prepared. And you just dip it into this. Okay, look at this. Look at this.
Oh wow.
Good. Oh, fish sauce. Wait.
Right?
Múc fish sauce cho mình.
Just dipping it in.
Rồi mình đi chấm đi cái luôn. Nó không ăn ớt được con ơi.
Do yourself a favor, guys. Get down to Cafe Nam at West End. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much.
You want chili?
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please.
Guys, this dish is called Heo Quay Bánh Hỏi, which is basically crackling pork belly with rice vermicelli. Crazy dish, crazy dish. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. Listen to this. Listen to this. Oh my god. Bye.
Thanks for having me, guys. Appreciate it.
Thanks,
Love your
buddy.
parents' cooking. And catch us next time.
Yeah. Nice. Guys, we've just had some family friends come over and they've just brought over some fucking crazy calamari, salt and pepper calamari. Look at this. How is it, Lachlan? Can you eat one for me? Taste test one for me. Oh yeah. Get it, son. Get it, son.